We start with the weekly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And at this point, we're looking at this correction. Now, the question is whether this is in relative to what we have here. And similar to other charts like Bitcoin, we are expecting this one turn to a flat for one more drop, following by divergence before we look for the reversal or not. We don't need to wait for the next drop, but the only reason I'm highlighting about this option for those traders, they're looking for buy and they're expecting the price can reverse from here, and they're expecting the price to break the all-time high. If they want to look for buy and keeping for the long term, they should know about this possibility. That means if we get any opportunity for buy within this correction, we have to see the breakout of this correction as a sharp move, following by deeper correction based on lower time frame before we look for the next move. All right. And in this case, that means if we get any opportunity for buy within the correction, we consider as a short term. And even if we move to daily chart, we see the price almost like the previous low, even based on for the weekly chart. We see this one, and based on forward chart, we see the divergence. But the way is reversing, we can expect this one to be in relative to what we have here. All right. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, they need to be quite careful. And mostly we can expect this one give us one more drop. That means this one can we can expect for the extension before we take the next trade, even if the price will continue from here, because internally we had a divergence. How about if this is the only flat as a first correction for one move up? Then we have to see the breakout of the previous top as a sharp move following by deeper correction. If not, we need to know about this one. Okay. Now, if anyone wants to look for buy within this one, the first things we have to see the breakout of the previous top to confirm this is not a flat. Then from that, we have to see the breakout of the stop. Okay. But based on daily chart, we don't see any trade setup yet. And if we move to lower time frame, based on forward chart, and even based on forward chart, we can look for this one as an internal flat, at least for one move up. If anyone wants to look for buy, they're looking for this one as a running flat. This is the 35.8 following the 38.1. We consider as a short-term target, as a first and the second targets. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy from here, this is the targets as a short term I'm looking for. Then we move to whatever I explained based on daily chart. All right. And based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. And even based on a 1 hour chart, having a trip of this can be an option, but it's not a really good idea. And we prefer this one, tend to a deeper move before we take the next trade as a sharp move flag. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.